Welcome to Go Good Living, real talk for real life, for real people. Let's get to work. So let's recap the financial blueprint and the 5 rungs of the Ascent. Rung 1, the starter emergency fund. Save £1,000. As we discussed in this review, this is your first line of defence. This is where you start to create the bank of yourself and you stop looking towards debt. You find this money by sitting down with your budget and finally telling every penny where to go. Rung 2, pay off all consumer debt. This is the fight. This is the financial warfare. This is where we embrace the porridge and honey way of living. We live on less than we make so we can kill the debt once and for all. Rung 3, save a full emergency fund. 3 to 6 months of living expenses. This is where we build our full defences that keep the enemy out. This is where you fully realise and complete the bank of yourself. No more stress when the car breaks or the boiler goes. You've got it covered. Rung 4, invest and build wealth. We've done the defensive work, now we're offensive. We're protecting our family and our future by making our money work as hard as we do. We're building our castle now. This is long-term security and building a legacy. And rung 5, help the next one in line, the summit. This is why I'm making these videos. I've climbed that and now I'm reaching back down to help you do the same. This is where you help the next one in line. Family, friends, or anyone who needs help getting on their own ladder. Why do I know that this works? Because I've been at the bottom. I've been 23.5 stones in weight, feeling my health slip away. I've stood in the wreckage of a 21-year relationship and a 19-year marriage ending. I felt that suffocating weight of starting over from scratch, being broke with no financial security. But I didn't stay down, I focused. I started the climb and I thank God for the small wins. The first pound lost in weight was just as important as the first £10 saved in the budget. It's the same discipline. As I built the bank of yourself, I was building new relationships and a new life. I grounded everything in my climb in faith, knowing that God provides the strength if we provide the work. It takes grit, it takes focus, and it takes gratitude. I traded that feeling of suffocation for the feeling of peace. So hopefully you've seen the reviews. You have the knowledge, now it's time for the work. If you're in the hole today, go back to rung 1. Get that written budget done tonight. Live on less than you make. It might mean porridge for breakfast, but it also means freedom for your future. You have the rungs, you have the blueprint. Now let's get to work. If these videos are having any help for you, then please like, subscribe and share, and let's keep building this community of climbers together. I'm Scott Goodwin, this is Go Good Living, and always remember, keep climbing.